Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the sound test of the Sony Extra Bass Sports earphone. Now these are waterproof earphones, IPX5 and IPX7 rated, so you can actually keep it underwater for 1 meter till 30 minutes. So that's what's written on the booklet. So we'll be testing that. We'll be taking it to the gym, we'll be taking it to the swimming pool, the sauna, and in the rain and all these situations we'll be testing this in. So the sound that you're going to hear in this entire video is going to be from the headset mic. So I'll not be using the mic on the phone or any other camera. It'll be directly from here, so you can judge if the sound is going to be good enough for you or not. So the mic is over here, so it's going to be hanging till that low. So I don't know how much of my sound you'll be able to hear and how much of the surrounding sound you'll be hearing. So let's go ahead and start the test. So the first test is the bike test. So after that we'll do the mall test. So let's go ahead now. I'm riding the bike without a helmet inside a colony. So it's not on the main road, it's not anywhere. So please do not try this without a helmet. Don't try it without a helmet. Okay, so let's start. Now one thing about this earphone is that the mic is shielded. So this has a plastic covering over it. So hopefully that helps you in getting a better sound. Wind noise should not be a big issue, but I'm really not sure at this point. Let's see how much of my sound can you hear. I'll only get to know after I make a video. So yes, if you don't wear your helmet, this is what's going to happen. So wear a helmet. So we'll go ahead and stop the bike now. Actually, let's see that. And we'll keep the visor open. Wow. Okay, so we'll keep the visor open so that will simulate open face helmet. Now the surprising part is, even though this helmet, the earphone protrudes out that much, it does not hurt me. So when I did my unboxing video, at that time I really thought that this was going to be very uncomfortable, but it's actually very comfortable. I can't even feel that it's there, because generally most of the helmets you have this space here for your ears, so it sits there very nicely. Now in this scenario, the mic is still here, so the mic position is not going to change like a lot of other earphones that you see. The mics are over here, so they get hidden by the helmet itself, and you will be able to hear the mic sound better. But in this scenario, you can't really do much. So let's go ahead and close the helmet. So once I close the helmet, there will be an echo created. The echo travels down from there, and that will give you a better sound. But if there's a lot of wind noise, then there's nothing much that you can do. So hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. There's a lot of traffic around me. We're crossing the red light. So you would be hearing a lot of honking sound, a lot of vehicle sound. So hopefully you can hear me well. Now ideally traffic sound won't be a big problem for it because the mic is actually covered. So it won't be getting much of the traffic sound. But hopefully it's getting all my sound too. Okay, so we're walking outside the mall now. A lot of traffic. So a lot of traffic behind me. So a lot of people around me. So there should be a lot of sound. And today it's windy. So you should be able to hear a lot of wind sound. I don't know how the mic is going to perform. The mic is actually that low. So hopefully you're able to hear me well. Okay, so we are doing the water sound test now. So there are 70 water fountains around me. So there's a lot of water sound. So hopefully you are able to hear me well. Now ideally water sound is not a big problem, but for some people it's important because they don't want that sharp sound to come into the maybe the video, or they don't want someone else to hear it. So hopefully you are able to hear me well. Okay, so we're walking inside the mall now. So a lot of people, a lot of music sound, and basically that's it. I think that's it. But hopefully you're able to hear me. The mic is kind of low, so hopefully my sound is audible and you're able to hear me. Right? Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now the sound quality on this is really different. Basically, this has a covering on it which doesn't allow the air to hit the mic directly, so that mesh actually works. That mesh is actually meant for waterproofing, so water doesn't go in, but it actually works for wind protection also. But since it's that low, you're not able to get the sound properly. When I was doing the bike test, I actually found the sound to be good if the mic was a little bit up. Because this was not getting too much of wind sound. You were able to hear me a little bit here and there, but it was not giving you too much of wind sound. So wind sound was not a big problem. So if they improve on this design, make the same thing over here, then this would be an excellent earphone. Yes, otherwise the other option you have is wear it like this. So that's what I do now. So I wear it like this. Now the mic comes over here. Now the entire recording is being done with this mic. So now you'll see the difference. Now as soon as the mic has moved up, so the sound becomes clearer. So the sound quality is excellent of the mic, just that it's too low, so most of the time people won't be able to hear you well because the volume will be low. Now the sound quality of the earphone. Now if you talk about extra bass, this has extra bass. It's not one of those extra bass series that has a lot of low end bass. It's got good bass, it's got low end, but it's not too much. The sound quality on this is very nice. I'm actually surprised by the sound quality that this has. So everything is like the mids are balanced. Treble is a little above normal, but it's not too much, not too overpowering, because I do not like treble. I'm not a big treble fan. I can't handle too much of treble. So this doesn't give you too much of treble, it's just right. And the bass is excellent. So I'm sitting outside just to show you how much of sound you'll be able to get with this. So there'll be a lot of disturbance, the background sound, buses, traffic, everything. So I want you to hear that, so you know that actually how you'll sound. So in the end, it's your decision. My final thoughts would be that it's an all-rounder. You can use it wherever you feel like. Yes, if you're not a big fan of earphones protruding out, then this is a big problem for you, because this really protrudes out. So it looks a little weird. You look like one of those what was that, Frankenstein kind of monster. So just that instead of here, it's here. So you look a little weird. If you are okay with the look, then go for it. Sound quality is very nice. It's an all-rounder. Don't have to think about it. Don't have to worry about this getting bad, getting water. Do whatever you feel like with it and it will survive. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.